Today, I'm going to show you how to make elderberry syrup at home and explain why so many people keep it on hand during cold and flu season. What are the benefits of elderberry syrup? So elderberries contain anthocyanins, which are plant compounds that support gut, lung, and immune health. It promotes the growth of aged bacteria and supports the gut lining. So elderberries can actually do a lot more than I first thought. Like, I knew they were good for immune system, and they are, but they also support that gut lining. And if you know anything about gut health, our gut runs our entire system. So if your gut is out of whack, the rest of your body's out of whack. So honestly, if you have a skin issue going on, if you've got, a majority of illnesses come from the gut. So if your gut is off, then the rest of that is off. If you get your gut balanced, then the rest of that will come in. So anyway, I just said that because elderberries are one thing that can help with the gut lining and help with good gut health. So elderberry plants grow throughout the wild. So this particular syrup has cinnamon, clove, and ginger in it along with the elderberries. So cinnamon is rich in antioxidants. It actually has more antioxidants than garlic and oregano. So it is pretty powerful stuff. It's anti-inflammatory also, so it helps with inflammation. Cinnamon helenide can help with the respiratory tract, and then ginger helps fight colds, can help with the respiratory issues. Ginger's anti-inflammatory. Ginger has a lot of really good properties to it too. And clove is rich in nutrients and antioxidants and vitamin C. So you're getting vitamin C from the clove, you're getting some vitamin C from the elderberry. So that is why I put those three things in this kit. So you've got the elderberries, the cinnamon, the clove, and the ginger. So the way you use this particular kit, and you can do this with any elderberries that you find. You can use fresh and you can use dried. You can put your elderberries and everything else into water and let soak for 30 minutes if time permits. It's not necessary, but it will help soften them. And if you are doing that and just elderberries by themselves, you can do that. And then you add the cinnamon stick, cloves, and ginger root and bring to a boil. If it's all in a kit like this, you can do it like that too. Just stick it all in there and let it soak. And then you're going to bring it to a boil. And then you're going to simmer it for 45 minutes to an hour. This is important to boil the toxins out of the berries and make them safe to consume. Liquid should be boiled down to about half. And then you're going to let cool slightly. And then strain off berries using a mesh strainer or cheesecloth over a freshly sanitized jar, and then stir in the honey. So you keep in the refrigerator in an airtight container for up to 2 months. So you can make this and then keep it around. You can make it if everybody's sick and have it going, or you can keep it around and start using it as an immune booster. So as a preventative, for adults, you would do 1 tablespoon a day. For kids, it would be 1 teaspoon a day. For fighting off a cold, so say you caught something, for adults it would be 1 tablespoon every 2 to 3 hours is needed. And kids, 1 teaspoon for every 2 to 3 hours. So this is it's a staple around here. We keep it around all the time for when we got colds. You can also use the syrup for other things. So my dad has actually put it on ice cream before. You can use it on pancake as a syrup, just to get that in your family system too, and it tastes good on the pancakes. So there are a few different options with it, and it's awesome stuff to have around. If you like these tips and you want to learn more about herbs and oils and different things I do, subscribe, like my channel. All right, I will talk to y'all later. You have a blessed day.